Good morning, everyone. Anand ji has invited us to Banaras few months before. And कब बुलाए थे आनंद भैया बनारस? कुछ दिन पहले बुलाए थे. And then he took us to the temple in the evening. So what the pujari did, after all the temple and all the puja was done, तो मंदिर के अंदर में वो पाँव से पानी लेके आया, which was the God का पानी था. And whenever that water was getting distributed, everybody was trying to come in front to get a droplet of that water, sir. I think this is an event on Divya Dishti. So can we ask everybody from the back to come in front to have the droplet of that Divya Dishti so that at least it all falls upon you? क्यों पीछे अलग अलग बैठे हैं सर? सब सामने आते हैं सर, सब आते हैं सर, वो सब आके दिव्य दृष्टि की तरह काम करते हैं सर. एक साथ मिलके काम करेंगे सर, सब सामने आए सर. लेट दी पूरा परिवार एक साथ दिखना चाहिए. लेट अस हैव द होल फैमिली बीइंग यूनाइटेड हियर सर. Sujit sir, thank you so much sir for all this enlightenment, and just wanted to highlight 2-3 important points sir. We run one of the India's biggest financial advisory firm, and it's a homegrown firm, and within 15 years sir, with 1 people to 300 people and with 12 offices in the country. So I could see this, what was the wrath of the big six and how this big six has tried to devolve us. So 2-3 things I think so the government also needs to think beyond if they want us to get it done. So for even the smallest tender, sir, there is a CVC guidelines which says that whatever is the expected order, you cannot ask the eligibility criteria to be 4 times more than that. And sir, I have been told that the finance companies and for finance work related activity, this is not allowed or this is not applicable. So what is now happening for 25 lakhs of work also, whatever the tender that is coming, they are asking for a turnover from a service sector for a 500 crore. They are asking for at least 500 log या 1000 log employee होने चाहिए. They are asking for at least 5. They are asking for at least 5 work orders, sir. Sir, this is one thing, sir. So in case if the eligibility criteria and the RFPs of those work orders, sir, they have been going on for ages. And please, sir, in this forum, if there is anybody, sir, I will take this courage and liberty to say, कि sir, all the bureaucrat children might be studying or they might be influenced somebody by those big fours also, because they might be doing some interns or they might be something there. So those RFPs are also getting prepared by them, sir. And then those RFPs are coming and it is being enforced on us. So in case if we what really, sir, and just to give you my personal example, sir, 3 years before, sir, we were applying for one South Africa tender. It was on the road feasibility, Chetoda, it was on the infrastructure project where they were asking us to prepare the DPR for that road project. It was a simple DPR, sir. And since we have done a lot of those DPRs for all the private companies, so we could participate that. So there was a 3-round, when the interview round came, so they asked us, sir, whether do you have got any government work order or not? As Resurgent India, I am saying. So we told, nahi, hamare paas koi government ka kaam nahi hai. So then they told us, if your government is not trusting you, why should we trust you? So in spite of we coming up to the ladder, in spite of we doing everything, we were not given, because the government of India has not given us a single work order just to have that comfort. So this is one thing, sir. Secondly, sir, as per the MSME Act, sir, approximately around 222 items are there. If you can look into it, 228 items are there, which clearly says that you can only purchase it from the MSME companies. 228 आइटम है सर. उसके अंदर में सर एक भी ऑडिट का आइटम नहीं है, उसके अंदर एक भी कंसल्टेंसी का आइटम नहीं. देयर इज नो सर्विस सेक्टर आइटम विच इज इंक्लूडेड देयर इन 228 आइटम्स फॉर दोज MSME कंपनीज, सर. So we, as any of these, we as a professional firm, we are also an MSME firm, sir. For the MSME firms, those services which can be rendered by the MSMEs companies only, why this should be categorically reserved only for the MSME service sector companies? Then only will come up the ladder, sir. Sir, thirdly, sir, as far as the MSME or the Make in India is concerned, sir, we only talk about the manufacturing sector, sir. Manufacturing sector, unfortunately, we are constituted at 18% of the economy and we have to go up to 25%. That's the wish list. But the service sector presently is constituting 65% of my country's economy. 65% to service sector hai, sir. Yes, sir, entire manufacturing sector, sir, entire the Make in India concept is all based on the manufacturing, sir. So why it can't be based for the service sector कि sir India की service India के service man ही provide करेंगे. And how this, and there has to be a difference between the how will you identify whether the company whether it is an Indian company or it is a foreign company. There has to be, it cannot be determined by the shareholding pattern of the service sector company, sir. For a service sector company, the determination between the foreign company and between an Indian company, the determination whether वो royalty देता है कि नहीं, whether the royalty in the form of software coming, the ownership might be Indian, but the brand name, through the brand name and through other things, they are charging the royalty there. So they might come and say कि sir हम तो Indian company है because हम Indian ownership है sir, but we have to determine whether they are paying any royalty to the outside companies or not by using that brand. तो सर इन केस आई टेल यू सर कि अप्रॉक्सीमेटली आप जीडीपी की बात किए, फोर्थ लार्ज जीडीपी सर, approximately 2% of the GDP comes for the service sector, that too for the CMAs and for the finance world. उसके लिए DPR बनाना है, ऑडिट करना है, फाइनेंस करना है, सब कुछ करना है सर. हमारी कितने रुपए की GDP है सर? Sir, our finance sector, our financial services export is only 5,000 crore. 5,000 crore is only export for our financial services export. Financial services. हम export के अंदर we are talking about IT, we are talking about so many other things, but financial services is also there, sir. Financial services means बैंक का बैक ऑफिस हो गया, प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट का काम हो गया, हम ऑडिट का काम बाहर का इंडिया कर सकते हैं, हम सारा काम हम इंडिया में बैठ के कर सकते हैं. Why cannot be a GCC be promoted only for the audit work, only for the back office audit work? Why cannot be done it in India, sir? Why there cannot be any of these type of a service sector, sir? Very so sorry, sir, you have touched upon those very emotional moment for us. So that was the point I wanted to highlight, ki, sir, some of the basic thought process amendment need to be done. Our MSME ministry has to be either bifurcated into the manufacturing MSME and the service sector MSME. There cannot be same person thinking everything about manufacturing and service sector both. एक आदमी दोनों चीज नहीं सोच सकता है सर, दोनों अलग अलग दुनिया है, दोनों का अलग अलग थॉट प्रोसेस है, दो अलग तरीके से काम करते हैं. MSME ministry, if they start thinking, if there can be a separate department, if there can be a separate joint secretary or separate anything for the MSME, for the services sector only, sir. If that can be done, I think so there can be lot of other things, I think so we can be absolutely proud of, and I can assure you, sir, we have the quite competency, sir. And it's definitely, I tell you, standing at the dais, sir, after so much year of independence, if we cannot create a big four, sir, I think so there is, everybody need to be blamed for that, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I think so this is where I wanted to highlight this important point to you. If I should be allowed, Anand, we have to continuation of my speech, I can continue, or if there is a time, we can continue. Mukesh, पे आप पहले बोल लीजिए, उसके बाद समय मिलेगा तो we can take it up. Thank you, friends, for taking it up. Thanks a lot.